YouTube. Wait till the camera stops moving because it likes to just jump around. The camera stands are not that sturdy, but I am going to see if this works. I have this piece of metal. What else? Probably shitty Evaporust. This little piece here. You know what? I'm gonna do the old jaws just for fun of it. See, here's the old rusty jaws. Here's the old part of the handle. I'm gonna do the old part of the jaws. The two screws. The handle. The little tiny pin. What else here? There's this piece right here. Oh yeah, I'll throw this in there too. One old rusty key. Just for the hell of it. And that's brass, so you don't have to worry about that. What else we got here? I think that's it for the, what I did is I drilled all the holes in here, I deburred it, and I know you can't see in here, but I made a nice big Evaporust bucket, which, basically there's a big block of Evapo ice in here. So I have a little handle, keep it in here, and hopefully the goddamn lid fits. I don't know. Jeez Louise. Where's a rubber mallet when you need it? There. We'll use a purple one. I only want it sealed at 2 points because there's no point in it. It's just... So I'm going to put this on the floor over here. And we'll let that ferment for overnight. And next, what I'm going to do is, if it stays warm next couple of days, I'm going to Evaporust this part. And I'm going to do the handle. I don't look like I have to do the screw, but I'm going to do this handle part, Evaporust it, clean it off, and then it should be good. So yeah, that's my plan. And thanks to this little brand new drill here, I drilled 4 billion holes in it. So yeah, good little drill. Has a little quick release chuck. Works pretty good. Did the job. So thanks for watching, and I will show you tomorrow or next couple of days after I release this video, of course. Oh yeah, I also got this too. This piece, which I want to throw in there. Actually, I should see if it fits in there. I'm going to throw it on there too. So enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I don't know, tell your friends.